friends and welcome to Newton Gate Academy, where we make your dreams come true. So today's video is specially for those CBSE champs who are going to sit for their class 10 boards. Right? So as you know that your syllabus has been bifurcated and your examinations are going to be held in 2 terms. So today's video is specially going to be about letter writing, that is going to be a part of your term 1 syllabus. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So champs, as you all know that your English syllabus has 2 types of letters. The first category is letter to the editor and the second category is letter of complaint. Well, this particular video deals with the second category, that is letter of complaint, and all the MCQs that we are going to discuss today in the video will be based on that. So, let us proceed. Here in this video, we are going to discuss Super 5 MCQs. Now, why are we calling it Super? Because they are going to be super helpful for your exams and you must watch the video very carefully without skipping. Alright? So, let us begin with the first question. Before you start a letter, the most important thing to think about is, well, your options are A. Who is going to write it? B. Who is going to read it? C. Who is going to deliver it? And D. Who is going to post it? So read the question very carefully, champs, and just see if you can answer it. Well, it's time to reveal the answer now. And the correct answer is option B, that is, who is going to read it? Well, when we write a letter of this sort, we must be very careful in determining who the reader would be, and we must draft our letter accordingly. Right? So now, let us proceed to the second question. You are writing to a company to register a complaint for repairs. What should you include in your letter? Your options are as follows. A. The exact name of the product. B. The goodwill of the company. C. The goodwill of the product. And D. All of these. So, let us now see what the correct answer will be. It is option A, the exact name of the product. Now champs, whenever we are drafting a letter of complaint related to repairs, we must be very careful with the product's name because it is the product that we are complaining about. Alright, so now let us proceed to the third question, and the third question says, if you are writing a complaint letter to your local council, what is the best way to end the letter? And your options are A. Hope all is well. B. I look forward to hearing from you as soon as possible. C. Send someone round here now or else. And D. I am tired of your department. This seems to be an easy question, so I hope you know the answer. Well, let us look at the answer now. It is option B. I look forward to hearing from you as soon as possible. Now always remember, in a formal letter, we are supposed to sound very polite and professional, which is why it is called a formal letter. And option B is the most formal approach to include in your letter of complaint. Well, let us move on to the fourth question. And the fourth question says, if you are writing a letter of complaint to the complaints department of a showroom because your repair has not been dealt with, how would you start your letter? Let us look at the options. A. I am sick of this organization. B. if you don't get someone out here quickly, I will call police. C. I am writing to report a complaint which has not been attended about my laptop. And D. I have already filed a complaint with the consumer court. So, can you all answer this? Okay then, let us see if your answer is correct. And the correct answer is option C. I am writing to report a complaint which has not been attended about my laptop. Now if you see, the first two options sound very intimidating, and that is not a formal letter is supposed to be, right? The fourth option as well sounds a bit more intimidating, and the C option is the most formal option, and this is how you write a letter of complaint. Well, let us move on to the last question of the video. And question number 5 is, if you are writing a letter of complaint, how do you sign off your letter? And the options are A. Cheers, B. Yours obediently, C. Yours sincerely, and D. Any of these. So, let us look at the correct answer now. So, the answer to this question is option C, that is yours sincerely. So, always remember, champs, whenever you are signing off your letter, you should end it with this phrase, that is yours sincerely. Alright? I hope you liked today's video, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Newton Gate Academy, and also do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you get updated whenever we post a new video. Till then, take care and stay safe. If you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us on the given numbers. Also, do not forget to visit our website www.newtongateacademy.com or www.newtongate.in. If you have more questions on this topic, please comment down below, and we will be coming up with a video on those questions very soon.